Hey everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the iShares Ethereum Trust. This is ticker ETHA. Now, Ethereum has been leading the crypto rally for a couple of weeks now. If you actually take a look at ETHBTC, this is Ethereum's performance versus Bitcoin, and it started to outperform Bitcoin in the middle of July. And ever since then, Ethereum has really been leading this crypto rally higher. And so I definitely think you should be paying attention to ETHA or one of the other Ethereum ETFs. Maybe you like leverage, maybe ETHU is more your style. But these are definitely close to some pretty clear breakouts. ETHA today had its biggest volume day ever. And that's just one indication of institutional money coming into the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, I know there's a lot of chatter about stable coins, and people like Scott Bessent are saying stable coins are going to proliferate the U.S. dollar and really solidify the dollar's dominance around the globe. And so most of the money when it comes to stable coins are on Ethereum. And so if that's going to happen, we're going to see a big move in ETHA. So I would definitely keep an eye on ETHA. Now, it is a bit extended off the 8-day exponential, but if I look at ETHUSD, we can see, if I zoom out, this is just about off its all-time high. Now, people like Tom Lee are saying that they think ETH could do upwards of 8,000 to 15,000. So if that happens, ETHA, I think, is at least worth a double here, ultimately, from where we are right now. So I think that this is a trade that you can watch for, a pullback to the moving averages on, or continued momentum to the upside. Either way, you should be paying attention to the Ethereum ecosystem. And if you want to learn more about crypto and digital assets, be sure and check us out at Crypto Market Mentor, a subsidiary of Stock Market Mentor. Go to stockmarketmentor.com/crypto to learn more. My name is Scott. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.